So in today's video, I'm going to review a tool called OpenAI Studio. I'll show you exactly what it is, what it does, and whether it is actually worth buying. So just stick around till the end and let's get into it. So let me first explain what OpenAI Studio actually is. Think of it like one big dashboard where you get access to all of OpenAI's AI models in one place. So whether it is their latest models, their older models, or even the new ones they release in the future, everything is available right here. We're talking about models like GPT 5.6 Soul, GPT 5.6 Terra, GPT 5.6 Luna, GPT Image 2, and many more. You do not have to subscribe to each one separately. You just log in once and everything is sitting right there waiting for you. Okay, so now let me actually show you how this tool works, because I think seeing it in action makes it much more easier to understand. So when you first log in, you will see the main dashboard, and right there you can see all of OpenAI's models listed out for you. You have GPT 5.6 Soul, GPT 5.6 Terra, GPT 5.6 Luna, and many more. And if you need image models, those are there too, like GPT Image 2 and GPT Image 1.5. They also have audio models, real-time models, embedding models, and coding models like GPT 5.3 Codex. So basically, every type of model is available right here in one place. Now, finding the model you need is also very simple. You do not have to scroll through everything manually. There is a search box right there, and you just type the name of the model you are looking for. So for example, if I type GPT Image 2, it shows up instantly. If I type GPT 5.6 Terra, it shows up right away as well. You just select it and you are ready to go. And like I mentioned earlier, if you're not sure which model to pick, you just turn on auto mode and it will automatically select the best model for your task. Now, let me show you the AI agents in action, because this is where things get really interesting. So the first one I want to show you is the social media post agent. You just click on it, type in your prompt describing what kind of post you want, and if you prefer, you can even use voice command instead of typing. Then you open the settings panel where you can choose things like your writing tone, your style, your target audience, and even your preferred word limit. Once you are happy with all of that, you just click apply settings. Choose your preferred OpenAI model and hit enter. And within just a few seconds, your content is sitting right there ready for you. From there, you can copy it, download it, turn it into an image, export it as a Word document, or even share it directly. It is really that fast and simple. Next, let me show you the cinematic video agent, because honestly, this one is really impressive. Same process again. You type in your prompt describing the kind of video you want. You can use voice command if you prefer. Then you go into the settings and customize your preferences. Hit apply settings and then you pick your video model. For this demo, they used Sora 2 Pro, which is one of the most powerful video generation models available right now. You hit enter, give it a little bit of time, and your cinematic video is ready. And when I saw the output, I was genuinely impressed with the quality. You can download it, share it, or keep refining it until it looks exactly the way you want. And then there is the code agent, which I think is super useful, especially if you are not a developer. You just describe what you want to build in simple words. Open the settings, choose your programming language, pick your framework, choose your coding style, apply the settings, select your OpenAI model, and hit enter. They used GPT 5.3 Codex for this demo, and the code came out clean and ready to use. No errors, no complicated stuff, just proper working code generated in seconds. So as you can see, the whole process is very straightforward across all the agents. You pick your agent, you type your prompt, you adjust a few settings, you choose your model, and you hit enter. That is really it. Whether you need social media content, a cinematic video, working code, images, voiceovers, music, or anything else, the process is the same and the results come out really fast. Now, let me talk about the pricing, because I think this is honestly the most important part of this whole review. Right now, OpenAI Studio is available for just a one-time payment of $16.95. Now, think about what most people are already paying every single month. You have ChatGPT, then Midjourney for images, then 11 Labs for voiceovers, then Runway for videos, then separate tools for code and writing. all of that together can easily cost you $500 to $600 every single month. And OpenAI Studio is basically saying you do not need any of that anymore because everything is already inside here for that one single payment of $16.95. Another thing that I really liked is that they include a full commercial license video purchase. So whatever you create inside this tool, whether it is a video, a voiceover, a sales page, or code, you own it completely. You can sell it to your clients and keep 100% of the money yourself. No extra fees, no restrictions. And if you are still not sure whether this is right for you, they also have a 30-day money back guarantee. So you can go in, try it out properly, and if you feel it is not working for you, you can just ask for a refund. Basically, there is no risk at all. Alright guys, now let me tell you about my bonuses because this is the exciting part. If you get OpenAI Studio through my link, which is in the description below, I am going to give you my own exclusive bonus tag completely free. And trust me, the bonuses alone are worth way more than what you are actually paying for this tool. You will get 21 exclusive bonuses from me, and I have listed all of them on my Medium page. The link is right there in the description. So just go ahead and check it out. You will be able to see exactly what you are getting. I have also added a coupon code in the description so you can save even more money on your purchase. So make sure you use that before you buy. So that is basically everything about OpenAI Studio. Honestly, if you're someone who is already using multiple AI tools every month and paying for all of them separately, this is a really good deal. You are getting everything in one place. There are no monthly fees. And you also get the commercial license included. All of that is for just $16.95. It's honestly very hard to beat. So if you have any questions about this tool, just drop them in the comments below and I will try to help you out. The link to grab OpenAI Studio is in the description. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, make sure you subscribe because I keep posting reviews like this all the time. Okay guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.